and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about RecessionTakeover.com. Now, how would you like to make extra money online, especially in tough times like right now? And I say that because I know, because we are all going through this together, okay? This is a brand new program that's developed to show you how to make money online during the economy crisis. Now, we all have a number of reasons why we're looking to make money right now. Maybe you just need some extra cash, and maybe you're trying to make ends meet. Believe me, I know, I've been there. I'm telling you right now that RecessionTakeover.com is what you need to get started today. Okay? Now, it's no secret. Millionaires and billionaires are made during the down economy and recession. In fact, my mom just said last week, this is a time when fortunes are made. And I have to agree with her. Okay? Now, this is why you want to start today from the comfort of your own home and make some extra cash. Now, this program can help you make $3,000 or even just as little as $1,000 within 2 weeks. How does that sound? Pretty good, right? Now, with RecessionTakeover.com, you will be on your way to that and much, much more. Plus, if you sign up now, there's a limited time offer of over $1,100 in a free bonus included, completely free. Now, I get asked this all the time, trust me, at least once a day. What if I'm a newbie with no experience or any product? Is this suitable for me? I have one answer. Yes. The program has been structured for newbies and experienced marketers, okay? So do not wait. Click the link below. I also wanted to go ahead and share some people who have joined and what they've had to say. Now, the first one, and I quote, "It is one of the very best sources to help us succeed." 5 stars from Jess and Naya. Second, "This course changed my life." Another 5 stars from Narengrit. Now, there are so many other positive reviews about RecessionTakeover.com, but I want you to see for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below this video and get started today and start making some extra money, because I promise you it will happen, okay? And I will see you on the inside.